Guys, I am in preparation. I am going to make a layer top. So if you guys see I got my pieces, this is going to be the top part. Then I'll make the sleeves. So this is a pretty white sequence you could throw on with some jeans or different things like that. So I think this would be a nice one of those crisscross layer tops. I'm going to cut it out now. Alrighty. Hey guys, so after you cut out all your pieces, you should have your bottom piece for your panties. You should have the two crisscross for the front, and you should have your two sleeves. So now it's just time to sew this leotard together. So this is going to be a beautiful sequence. Y'all see that? Leotard top. And you can wear this with some jeans or whatever. It'd be really cute, and it just bring it up a little classy. Throw on with some jeans, some nice heels. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.